Hello, I'm Robert Jones, Professor and Senior Vice President for System Academic Administration at the University of Minnesota. I'd like to welcome you to this broadcast of select presentations from the 4th Biennial Symposium entitled Keeping Our Faculty, Recruiting, Retaining, and Advancing Faculty of Color, held at the University of Minnesota, April 12th through the 14th, 2007. We initiated this symposium series to address the continued underrepresentation of scholars of color in American higher education. Despite slow but steady gains, the number of faculty of color in American college campuses has not kept pace with the diversification of our student body or our society. This lack of sufficient diversity negatively impacts the educational experiences of our students, the research we conduct on our campuses, and the services we provide to our citizens and communities. The Keeping Our Faculty sessions enrich our understanding of the issues and the challenges we face, gives us new tools and strategies that faculty, academic leaders, and institutions can use to reach our goal of achieving a truly multicultural professoriate across the country. And I hope you will find the following presentations by some of the nation's most distinguished leaders in the field of promoting diversity in higher education helpful to you in your continued work to achieve the ultimate goal.